pretty gang. Before we get into this video, I know what y'all came here for. As you can see by the title, what it is. I know what y'all here for. I need to say one thing. If you are somebody who has a small dog, or know somebody with a small dog that is giving it away, or just know someone who has a small dog that would like to sell it for the low, let me know, y'all, because I want a dog terribly. I want a dog really bad. Hit me up on my social medias. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen for you. Now we can get into the video. Today's video is gonna be a Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna show you all the things I got because it's requested by one of my pretty gang babies. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I got some things. I just got a whole bunch of random stuff. Huggies, baby wipes. I love these. I got two. One for me and one for my sister. Yeah, so I got these Huggies wipes. These are probably my favorite to get from the Dollar Tree, and they come with 40. These are the best wipes I think there is that you can get. They're fragrance free and dye free, and I just love them. Pack of towels. I always get my pack of towels from here. These are microfiber towels. Girl, I'm putting you on. Go get you some microfiber towels. The best thing you ever done. Then you know your girl had to get this because I'm holy, okay? I am a Christian, so I went and got this Holy Bible. And y'all, the Dollar Tree blows my mind. This is the Old and New Testament. So I'm trying to like really start reading my Bible more and trying to get like, you know, more closer with God, more of a bond, because my bond has got a lot stronger, and I'm really trying to get invested into reading the Bible just so I can get more familiar with the Lord and in tune with Jesus. Please, if you want your life to change, if you want to be more happy, you want to be more invested in yourself, I'm telling you, y'all, getting a bond with the Lord it just ends depression, and you just feel more better. Like, I'm telling you, I've never felt so good. This little jar of Vaseline. Now everybody, I got Vaseline plenty, but I don't have like a carry size jar, you know what I'm saying, like one that I can carry around with me, and everybody just needs one of these. The air fresheners, yeah. So I really love these. I got these were this malfunction. So I got this and the other one you just need to just feel. I'm gonna get it for y'all in a minute. But this was my favorite scent lately. Like, it's been the scent that I pick up a lot. Is the red honeysuckle nectar one. And this stuff is strong. You're gonna really smell it. So I'm not gonna put one in the bathroom, another one in my room, because I got one right here and it's getting low. You know what I'm saying? Put the honeysuckle one in here. And then I got this one. And this one is just the blissful apple and cinnamon. The one is Sure Scents. Now this one, the scent on this is just so fresh. I think I might put this one in the bathroom. These, like I said, I'm doing a little thing for my sister. I got these always Radiant Flex Foam pads. So like this was at the dollar store, y'all, and it comes with a $1 coupon inside. You really can't beat that, girl. It's 100% leak and odor free, so it doesn't, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to worry about anything. Light clean scent, so it has a little scent to it, but it's like light. But I really thought these was like a clutch. Like, it comes with 3. Like, this is perfect for an emergency kit, which I'm gonna do a video on that today. Bag, like I said, I'm making her emergency kit, and this is just this little bag, and it's so cute, and I want her to be able to carry it around everywhere, y'all. Razors, these are, now a lot of people feel like Dollar Tree razors are bad. I honestly believe that it all depends on the ones you get and your way of shaving. I feel like these are okay because I actually use them myself. These are okay if you know how to shave, and depending on the ones you get. Like, you see, I got this 5 one, and it pivots and all of that. Like, it pivots and moves like you need it to. It has the lubrication band. It's just about the ones you pick out right here. And I actually seen somebody use this in their haul, and I'm like, they said it smelled good, so I'm like, I'm gonna get this for my sister. So it's Bath and Beauty Pure Attraction Melon and Plum. Like, this smells really good. It's super good. Yes, like, it's like a light scent. It's not doing too much. Just in case she wants to freshen up and, like, you know, stuff like that, she definitely can. The girl being a little fat and got her pack of M&M's. So it was really short, but I hope this haul is very helpful for you guys, so you know when you go to Dollar Tree what to look out for and what to pick, what is clutch and what will work. So that's pretty much it for this Dollar Tree haul. If you like this video, be sure to thumbs it up, comment down below what you want to see next, and make sure you are subscribed and tell everybody you know about your girl. Also, don't forget to ask about my dog. Don't forget to look around for my dog. I love y'all. I hope y'all look out for me. Please, I will appreciate it. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time for the gang. Peace. Right there, Vortex. right there, Vortex.